Alright, write a car wash. Wash in the car. Here we go. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. We wash. Make sure that stand forward. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Stop! And back it up. Back it up. And stop! Here we go. Alright. Let's get that car wash. Car wash, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what that soap. I like that color. That's the scene a little bit. Let's turn that on.
You turn that up, I turn the radio up.
I need to. Let's get that washed up. I can't make it closer than this. Move purse that way, okay? I'll put it right there, okay? I'll put it right there in your purse, okay?
Okay, don't spill the stuff out.
I won't, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
It's okay.
That's why, Mom. Can't see, Mom. Now I can see. That's so nice. Alright. It's easy. Here we go, guys. We gotta wash. 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 Let's see what happens. Oh, it smells good. Glue. I get pretty course in myself, okay? Hear me? Oh, what a colored soap! Colored soap. Purple, blue. I gotta buy some morning stamp soon. Says I bought me some stamps and
I'll get you some stamps on Thursday.
Here, Mom. Oh, we gotta wash some. Here we go. Spot 2, right? Spot 2, right? Wash it out good. Get closer to it. We're in soap. Ow. Get washed. Oh my God! I had water has soap in it. The fan went faster. And wash hard. Now it's all rinse. I cannot make a car just see nothing that's good if I find it work. Spice with. And here comes the main dryer.
We're not ready for the dryer yet.
I know, Mom.
The dryer's the last thing.
Dryer's the last thing?
Yeah.
Dryer, huh? Alright, got car all clean. There you go. Now it's time to dry off. Dry off. Almost done. Let's go, bro. Now cars are clean. It's time to get dry off. Dryer. Here we go. Drying off. Here we go. Ooh, and also it dry off. Tied.
Masu.
Yes, in ya. Sweeper, yeah. I'm recording them. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're here.
Now we're just vacuuming.
Come on, whatever. Alright, it's vacuuming. Cut. Okay, gotta get the trunk open. Okay. Hose out. Okay. Here you go, Mom. I'll get corns ready for you, okay?
Here, put this in the trash.
I know, Mom.
Put that in the trash.
I went in there, Mom. Get to it, man. Here we go. 1,
25 cents, 25 centavos,
2,
50 cents, 50 centavos,
2. Oh, draw a quarter. Quarter. Then now we got it. And 3.
75 cents, 75 centavos,
$4.
$1, $1.
Here comes number 5. That's
$1, 25
6.
cents, $1,
Oh,
25
there's more.
$1, 50 cents, $1, 75 cents, 75 centavos, $2, $2,
Hold on one second.
$2, 25 cents, $2.
I know. Vacuum. Okay, Ma, I got it, okay?
Okay, that's all we need.
I know, that's certified thing. Trash and that's really good. I'll do my thing, okay, Mom? You hear me? You hear me?
Got her.
Come. That's good. That's good.
25 cents, 25 centavos.
This tree enough. One in there. Tree enough. Okay, Mom.
25 cents.
Okay, that's one, Mom. That's one. That's one. I'll give you this having a good thing. That's cool, thing straight. That's not very good. Ain't nothing good.
25 cents.
Okay, I gotta get some Mom. Let's get on side here now. You pick a thing. Got it? Okay. That side here. Hold down there. One time. Vacuum. Vacuum. Vacuum car. Nothing yet. See what each thing on. Oh, got it? They got it, Mom? JJ got it, Mom? Okay, they got it?
Here.
Trash? Yep.
Yes. Here's another thing.
Another film, Cap. I got you. Yeah, clean up the trunk. Here, I'll clean your side, okay? Okay, Mom?
Done on the outside.
Oh. I'll get him, okay?
What?
I'll get this, okay? I'll get this, okay? Hear me? Hear me, Mom? You hear me?
Yeah? Well, yeah.
See if ours vacuum cleaner. Being. Hey, this. One. That's one. Two. Three. Four. Oh, start it up. Here we go. Let's start the vacuum. Yeah. Oh, dog horn. Sorry. Oh, sorry. You need to. I got the trust wrong, kid. They're trying that way. There we go. I got Mom. Oh, never. Oh yeah. Damn. Clean this up. Get them clean up good. I got dirt. No, it's dirt. Dirt anyway. I know I'm okay. I got it, Mom. I know I'm okay. Tell me, guys. I know I'm. Try to get clean. I'll be fine. Alright, you go ahead and watch this. See, I'm doing it, Mom. Yeah, you're real good, Mom. Help me out with this, Mom. Come here, help me out with this. Come here. Come here, Mom. Please. There's nothing to hear this. Hi. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Alright, with this.
Okay, take it out.
Take it out for me, Mom. Take it out, Mom, please. Take it out. That was hard. Phew, guys. Get car clean up. That's how, guys.
We're done.
Can't put the hose away, Mom. I can put the hose away in the vacuum, Mom. As you want, you guys.